Hello, and here's a quick video explaining the easiest way to access Marple Hall's Learning Hub. This is a new website that collects together all the resources you need for your different subjects at school. The easiest way to access it is to open up a web browser and then type in the address, which is marplehall.sharepoint.com. This is because it's based on Microsoft's SharePoint technology, which is part of Office 365, something we already use for various other school resources such as our email and Microsoft Teams. So the good news is you can log in with the same school email address that you're used to. So I'm just going to log in as my test account. Now just remember that the password that you're going to enter here is your standard password that you would use to log into the computers in school. So if you've not used any of the Office 365 resources on the PC that you're using, then it may ask you if you want to stay signed in. If you're the only user using that device, I definitely recommend you click yes, as it's going to reduce the amount of times that you need to log in. However, I'm not going to get it to remember my password at this point. So that's it. Then you will find yourself on the front page of the Learning Hub. Now really this page acts as a signpost to all the different subjects that are on offer. So what we can do is scroll down to find the subject that we need, and then we can just click on that subject, and that's essentially a sub-site of the hub. So here we are on history. What we can do is we can browse around this history site and look at all the content that's on offer. Now hopefully your subject teachers will explain how best to use these sites. They may link to various content from Show My Homework for homework activities, or they may ask you to look at a particular section to augment the learning that you're doing in class, or what they might do is just allow you to browse around if you've missed a lesson for any reason, or if you just need to revisit a topic, then hopefully you'll be able to navigate the site yourself and find those resources. Obviously each site's going to be set up differently depending on the subject and how they want to present their information, but I'm sure once you've looked around a few you'll sort of understand how they're set up. So if I want to get back to the main Learning Hub, I can click back on this Marple Hall School, but what I can also do is this top navigation bar allows me to navigate between all the different sites that are part of the hub. So if I want to say go to the Spanish site, then I can go straight to that without going back to the hub first. So it's really easy to sort of traverse from one subject site to another. Okay, that's pretty much all you need to know. We're going to be adding more content as time goes on. You can see we've got a student resources section up here. We're going to be adding the pastoral hub and uploading all our student bulletins here as well. So you'll hopefully see it change over time as we add more and more information that hopefully you will find useful. Okay, so the only problems you might have are similar problems that you may have encountered when trying to access some of our other Microsoft 365 resources. And as I said, that's Teams, your school email, and also Satchel 1, because that uses your Microsoft account to log in. If that's the case, then I would definitely recommend you look at the technical FAQ that is on our school website, as that goes through various different solutions to problems you might have when logging in to your 365 account, especially if you're on a shared computer where other people are trying to use Microsoft accounts as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope you find it useful, and I'm sure you'll become much more familiar with it as time goes on.